Today we bring you the latest developments in the escalating conflict between Israel and Iran, as tensions in the Middle East continue to rise dramatically. Following reported joint strikes by the United States and Israel targeting key Iranian military and strategic locations, Iran has launched a significant retaliatory response involving multiple missiles and armed drones. According to emerging reports, the strikes targeted sensitive military infrastructure, prompting Iran to declare that it would respond decisively. Within hours, air raid sirens were heard across several regions as defensive systems were activated to intercept incoming projectiles. Authorities in Israel implemented emergency measures, including closing schools, restricting public gatherings, and urging citizens to remain near shelters as a precaution. Meanwhile, Iran stated that its response was aimed at military targets and warned that further action would follow if additional strikes occur. The situation has raised serious concerns across the international community, with global leaders calling for immediate de-escalation to prevent a wider regional war. Neighboring countries in the Gulf region have also heightened security around key installations, particularly where foreign military assets are present, amid fears that the conflict could spread beyond its current scope. Analysts suggest that this confrontation marks one of the most direct and intense exchanges between the two nations in recent years, increasing uncertainty about what comes next. Financial markets have reacted cautiously, with oil prices showing volatility due to concerns about potential disruptions in energy supply routes. Defense systems on both sides remain on high alert, and military activity in the region continues to intensify. Diplomatic efforts are reportedly underway behind the scenes, but no immediate breakthrough has been announced. The United Nations and several major world powers have urged restraint, emphasizing the severe humanitarian and economic consequences that a prolonged conflict could bring. Civilians in affected areas are being advised to follow official safety instructions as governments prepare for various possible scenarios. As of now, both sides appear firm in their positions, signaling that the coming days will be critical in determining whether tensions cool through diplomacy or escalate further. We will continue monitoring developments closely and provide updates as new verified information becomes available.